and Jennifer, can you repeat after me? I take you as you are.
I take you as you are.
Loving who you are now.
Loving who you are now.
And who you are yet to become.
And who you are yet to become.
I promise to listen to you.
I promise to listen to you.
And learn from you.
And learn from you.
To support you.
To support you.
And accept your support.
And to accept your support.
Further on, the rising of the sun. Seasons change, but your love still remains. And I just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are faithful, God, and you're always for me. And I just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All my praise is yours, I give you glory. You've made a home in me, and Lord, you never leave. You meet me where I'm at, guiding every step. We'll never part our ways. My heart, your dwelling place is you and me and you forever. And I just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are faithful, God.
Therefore, Jennifer and Andy, following the vows and the words of commitment made before me and in the presence of your witnesses and also your family and friends, it now gives me the greatest of pleasure to declare Andy and Jennifer to be husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, you may be proud to congratulate Andy and Jennifer. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I see we've got a very restrained bride and groom here. Andy, it's Jennifer. Jennifer, you may take Andy.
Jesus, thank you. You have saved me. I will praise you, friend, forever. Jesus, I just want to say